So the National Athletics Championships, aka the National Trials, aka the exercise to select the team to this year's World Championships are on in earnest. And it is in that context that the Maverick had a lively chat with Mr. Ludlow Watts, the man widely regarded as Jamaica's starter-in-chief. And our discussions centered around the recent history of the Jamaican starters in applying a zero tolerance with the ridiculous false start rule. My basic suggestion to Mr. Watts is that more of his allowed discretionary powers should be exercised in applying this inhumane rule, especially at the national trials, where the aim is to select the best national team. Mr. Watts kind of if and but and said he understood my point of view and my perspective, but he's still all about making the right decisions. So while you all be looking at the races and the runners and the clock, etc., the Maverick will be peeping and keeping a close watch on the starters and see if Mr. Watts and his friends will do the right thing by Jamaica.